How to log in Bitcoin wallet account. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. With a simple click, you'll be able to log in into a Bitcoin wallet account. First step is to open up your Bitcoin application. Select the option of sign in with Google or manually enter your email address. It will redirect you to an account section in which you have to select a Google account to link with your Bitcoin wallet account. Once you are authenticated, you'll be able to log in to your application by tapping on Start using the app. Now wait until it is fully loaded. Allow the permission it asks for. And just with a simple click, you are able to log in into your Bitcoin wallet account. You can do further settings by tapping on the settings option, set up your backup and security, select your app preferences, and more. Now this is a very simple and easy process. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you can check out the help and support of your Bitcoin or check for your Wi-Fi connection. To ensure it is not a bug or a glitch issue, press and hold onto your application and head to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. And try again to log in into a Bitcoin wallet account. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.